In the last episode, we visited the Kettleman Superchargers, an amazing location for Tesla owners to take a break during trips, and we also visited the Yosemite National Park, a world wonder. We spent half a day at the park because we were on a schedule. On this episode, we visit the Obsidian Dome, a volcanic rock mountain, and then we head out east to Moab, Utah. It's the next day. Good morning. For us, it's the morning. For you, wherever you are, I hope you're having a good day. Last night, we ended up here at this location, which I'm going to explain a little bit what it is. But we have the 3 Model Ys. We have Kyle's Model Y, we have ours, and we have Jimmy's. We had to go a little bit off-road to get to this location and find this great place. But I want you to see this. And we're gonna talk to Kyle here to explain exactly what this, I want to call it what this mess, this beautiful mess is. So this is Kyle. And Kyle, can you explain a little bit of what's going on here?
Yeah, I mean, this is Obsidian Dome. So we're just outside Mammoth Lakes in California, and this is a part of one of the volcanic features of the area. And basically, the Mammoth Lakes area is one of the most volcanically active areas in the U.S. outside of Yellowstone, and obsidian comes right from the earth. And this apparently bubbled up, and it created this just mountain of obsidian. And obsidian is that black glass that we all know from arrowheads, and it is a rock that basically looks like it's still a liquid, and it's shiny in parts, it's glassy and sharp as anything in parts, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful rock. And this entire dome, so it's maybe, I don't know, half a mile in diameter, and it's just full of these gigantic chunks of obsidian, and obsidian is rather heavy. And then I just found that some of these white rocks are pumice. So check this one out, Rafael. See how light this is. Pick it up and see what you think.
Oh wow, it's like I'm holding a piece of paper.
It's like a marshmallow. I mean, it's so light you almost feel like it could float, but this is just a really cool area, and we were fortunate enough to find this cool camping spot here. It was a great night.
It's actually like a bowl within, like next to the dome that is this mountain, right?
Yeah. I mean, we're in such a cool spot, like nestled in between the trees. One little trail leading in, and this amazing volcanic feature that we're going to explore after breakfast. So
yeah, awesome. Thanks, Kyle. All right, we are now getting ready to leave the campsite. The cars are ready. So guys, we're ready? All right, let's do it. Hiking up this mountain with the camera and the guys. Nancy's right behind me somewhere. What do you think?
Just an amazing journey.
Right? amongst all the dryness, Nature always finds a way. Look at that. Pretty little yellow flowers. Bees are playing around, pollinating, taking the pollen from place to place to help them grow, even in the most dry conditions. Look at that. Towards that end is where we were camping. This keeps getting better and better. I think that is the rock that was facing the campsite on the other side. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look how shiny. This hole in the ground there, I don't know how. There's the hood of a car down there. That cannot be a good story. And then over the top of that, that's where we were camping. And you see the mountainside on the other side. Okay, let me head up to the group. So I don't want them to get worried. So I just split on my own. They must be here somewhere. There they are. I'm gonna close this part, but keep that in mind. There's fantastic places that we've never seen, and when we see them for the first time, they create an impact in our lives. And this, just to take it all in. Again, the dry of the rocks and the yellow of those flowers that always find a way to grow. This is really something else. Let's keep going. Today is day number, I don't know, like 14 of the travel adventure that Nancy and I started from Florida. And along the way, we met a lot of new people, made a bunch of new friends, and also old friends. And we had a blast at the Tesla Takeover. But this moment right now is when these two guys that we officially met in person at the Tesla Takeover have been hanging out with us and doing some nice travel adventures, and I've had the time of my life. And I appreciate like the tenacity and the wisdom that both of you combined together were able to impart on us, and we had the time of my life. So, you know, at this moment we're gonna split from here. The guys are gonna go different ways. Jimmy here is gonna go north, you're gonna go south, we're gonna go east. We're gonna try to have additional fun as we find our way towards home. Jimmy.
This has been such an amazing trip.
Yeah. Same. I will never forget this time, and I hope it's one of many.
We have to do a lot more focus.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Cold tips for the win.
Can't wait for that video.
Yeah.
Likewise.
Bro, amazing time. Yeah, thank you for everything. Yeah.
Great shared adventures. And
Yeah, hopefully we don't need to wait a full year to see you guys again. If you guys need anything ever, just Feel free to call, reach me anytime you want, any day of the week, 365, 24/7. My house is your house.
Same.
Anytime you find yourself in South Florida, you need a place to crash, you have a home.
Love to see you guys in Southern California if you stop by.
Yeah, for sure.
More hot coffee, more cold water, more late nights.
Let's go. Like around high five.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna hit somebody. That's pretty good.
All right.
Our time with Jimmy and Kyle comes to an end. Now, we continue on our own. We headed east from California through that valley to Nevada towards Moab, Utah, which I consider the most epic destination of the entire trip. Our drive to Moab was another 12 hours on the road, so we decided to find another forest to camp out. This was our first proper solo wild camping site. It was very rewarding to find it and wake up in the middle of another forest. We got ready to continue the drive to Moab after a quick warm breakfast. We arrived at night, so we had no idea what to expect when the sun came out. It was peaceful, chilly. It smelled like wet wood combined with a flower scent that could only be described as sweet. It also smelled like cow poop in some areas. But it was one of the best night sleeps I've had in a really long time. This was exactly the type of trail that I wanted to find. Luck was on our side.